In the world of technology, sky is no longer the limit. Introducing the drone, a game-changing tool that's transforming industries across the globe. From agriculture to security, military to search and rescue, the drone is making impossible possible.
Agriculture, precision is everything. Drones provide farmers with aerial insights that were once out of reach. With high definition cameras and sensors, drones capture vital data to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, access to soil conditions. In military operations, information is power. Drones provide real-time surveillance, gathering critical intelligence and giving soldiers a tactical advantage in the field.
With thermal and infrared images, a drone can detect enemy position, detect hidden threats and scout out dangerous areas, all while staying out of the sight. This ensures the safety of the troops and improves mission success rates. Empower your world with the versatility of drones. The sky is no longer the limit.
At the end, the drone, a powerful tool that's changing the world from agriculture to defense, security to delivery. It's not a technology, it's a revolution in making.
Now this is how we have executed our project. At last, we would say thank you from our team.